morning. Thank you for calling to the Tech Education Center. My name is Putra. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I recently saw a presentation online about computer basic and I got really interested. I'm actually thinking of buying a new computer, but I realized I don't really understand what are the parts do. Could you have explained it to me?
Absolutely, Mr. Yoga. That's a great decision, and I'd be happy to help. Would you like a general overview of how computer work, or would you like to go into the specific components?
Let's start with the general concept first, and then we can go into the computer.
Sure, computer work in a cycle called input, process, output, storage. First, you enter data using input devices like keyboard or mouse. That data is processed by the CPU, and the result is either displayed on the screen or saved in the storage for later use.
So it's kind of like a factor where raw materials go in and the finished product come out.
Exactly, that's a perfect analogy. There are different types of a computer too. For example, a desktop computer are common for offices. Laptops are portable and great for travel. Tablets and smartphones are touch-based and lightweight. And supercomputers are used for very complex calculation like weather prediction or space exploration.
Wow, I never saw smartphone will concentrate computers too.
Yes, they are. They follow the same principle, just more compact.
Okay, now I'm curious about what inside a computer. Can you tell me about the parts?
Of course, let's go over them one by one. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer. It processes instruction and handles all the calculation. The faster the CPU, the quicker your computer performs.
Small core better.
Yes, more cores allow your computer to do multiple tasks at the same time, very helpful for multitasking or gaming. RAM is like the computer's short-term memory. It stores data that you're currently using. The more RAMs you have, the more programs you can run smoothly at once.
So if I have low RAM, my computer gets slow.
Exactly, especially when you open multiple applications. Now for the storage, there are two main types of the storage. The first is HDD, hard disk drive, just spinning disk, large capacity but slower. And then the second one is SSD, solid state drives, use flash memory, much faster and more durable.
I heard ESD is better.
Yes, SSD are faster for putting and loading applications, are recommended for most modern users. The motherboard is like the nervous system. It connects all the components together: CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, and more.
So it's where everything meets.
Exactly. The GPU handles rendering image and videos. If you're into gaming, video editing, or design, this is critical.
So I should upgrade this if I plan to do design work.
Yes, absolutely. Look for a dedicated GPU for performance intensive tasks. The power supply convert electricity into usable power for your computer. It also keeps your components safe from power surcharges. Then we have cooling system, fans or heat sink to prevent your computer from overheating.
I see. So everything can limit the hardware.
Yes, long-term heat exposure reduces the lifespan of your components. Let's not forget about input and output devices. Input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, and output devices like monitor, printer, speakers. This allow you to interact with the computer and see the result.
What about network connection?
Great question. Modems and routers are network devices. They help your computer to connect to the internet or other networks.
That makes sense now. These part work together.
Exactly. It's like a team. Each component has its own job, but they work as a unit.
What's next in computer development?
Computers are getting smaller, smarter, and more connected. The future involves quantum computing, artificial intelligence or AI, and Internet of Things (IoT). These technologies will boost processing speed and interconnectivity.
This has been incredibly helpful. I actually understand what to look for now before buying a new PC.
I'm glad I could help. If you need a PDF summary of today's explanation or paying guide, I can send it to your email.
Yes, please. That would be great.
Perfect. I'll send it right away. Then thank you for calling the Tech Education Center and have a wonderful day.